Hello, welcome back to new tutorial. In previous tutorial, we have covered SQS, SNS and configuration set into SES. So now let me take you one more time. Previously, we have created a SQS, a queue named as YouTube, and we have also created a topic into SNS named as a YouTube, and that topic we have subscribed to the SQS. And let me show you that one more time here. So this topic has been subscribed by the SQS, and the SQS endpoint is this one. And if you visit to that SQS, here you will see this YouTube, this is SQS. So there is no message available and there is no message in flight. So what we are going to do here, we are going to send one more message, and we will see here there will be some messages. So let's go open our application and send a test message to email. Okay, so once we send an email to our test email, and an email would be sent there, and let me show you that email. So email has been sent. It might have came into spam. So here is that email. Okay. So I have sent too many emails. That's why sometimes it is coming into spam. So that's not the big deal. Hello Fox. Hello YouTube. The 2 minutes ago, and now let's come back to the SQS management and let's refresh it, and you will see here there are 3 messages, and if you open this you will see there one message will be for send and one for delivery and one for open. So this message is for send, and second message is for delivery, and then this final message is for open notification. Since the message is delivered, before deliver it was sent, and then it was delivered, and then finally I opened it after 1 or 2 seconds. You see here the time it was sent as 17:38 and it was opened at 17:39. Now what we are going to do, we are going to copy this and just copy it and paste it into a JSON formatter. So once we paste it into JSON formatter, we will be able to decode this message. You can see the parse this message. Okay, we need to just first copy this. I have not copied this. Copy and just paste it here and just process it. And now you see here, this is the message here. Okay, so the type is notification, and message ID is here, topic ARN is here. So from this topic it is coming, and here is total message. So in a message, event type is open, and then there is a mail object. Inside the mail object it has a timestamp, and then source. This is the source from where this email was sent, and then here it has a sending account ID, and then here once again it has a message ID. And if you see here, there is a destination. So you see here the destination is a array type. That means destination can be many destinations, multiple destinations, but here we are using only one destination. So we will get this message from destination 0 location. We will get this email from destination 0 location, and here is subject. The subject is hello folks. Okay, that's great. So from this formatter, what we will do, we will write a lambda function, and then we will parse this message. So let's write a lambda function, and lambda function will read a message, this message from this queue. So for that, what we can do, we can create a new lambda function. Just open it into a new tab, and in this new tab we need to create a function. Just create a function, author from scratch, and let's give a name, and name is YouTube. And we need to create a role for this Lambda function. And so what we can do, create a new role. Sorry, we don't need create a new role. Create a custom role. For that custom role, actually role will provide access to this Lambda function. Okay, so create a new role, and let's give the name to this role as a YouTube, and then finally allow it. Now the role has been created, and now this role has been selected. Now just create this function. Now congratulations, your Lambda function YouTube has been successfully created. Now you can change its code and configuration settings. And we have connected here a role. The role name is YouTube. Okay, but now we need to change this role. So for changing that role, once again we need to go into our IAM. So we need to go into IAM. So let's go into IAM, and then we need to change role. So identity access management console window, then go into roles, and inside roles come into YouTube, and inside YouTube we need to attach the policy. So here there is only one basic execution policy attached to this role. Now we need to attach some policy, and in this policy we need full access for DynamoDB, since we will be also interacting with the DynamoDB. And then we also need a full access to the SQS, and we also need a full access to the SNS, as well as to cloudwatch. Sorry. So we also need a cloudwatch full access. Now let's attach these policies. Now you can see here these 4 policies has been attached with this role. Now if you see here in your Lambda function, and let me refresh it, then you will see here those policies will come there. That means the Lambda function will have access to these resources of AWS. So let's refresh it. So once you refresh it, you will see here it has access to these resources: AWS Lambda, CloudWatch, CloudWatch Logs, DynamoDB, DynamoDB Accelerator, and it has also DynamoDB EC2, SNS, SQS, application auto scalings and pipelining, and identity and access management. Since we have provided full access to SNS, SQS, and DynamoDB and CloudWatch and Lambda, so it has came along with these policies. It has came with EC2 and pipelining and IAM management. Okay, now it's great. Now let's come to our code. So inside this code we need to access our SQS, that's the queue services. So for that we need to first use a strict. Okay, so what we can do here, we can start writing our code. Okay, so use strict, that means it will use strictly, it will follow JavaScript code, and then console.log. So the first time I'm going to write here loading function YouTube, and then we need AWS SDK. Then we need to write here where. Okay, so the variable, let's say AWS equal to it require AWS SDK. AWS SDK, and then it also need where yes, And this SES needs new AWS SES, so new.